Welcome to our tutorial on migrating Windows. Today, I'll guide you through the process of transferring the Windows 10 operating system to an SSD. Before we begin, please ensure that your SSD is properly installed and recognized by your computer. Now go to the link I put in the description, and you can download a tool called DisGenius Free Edition. The system migration feature is available for the free edition, so there's no need for any payment. Once you've downloaded and installed the program, open it. When the software opens, you can see all disks on your computer. Here's the C drive and D drive. The SSD is labeled as HD1. It is connected via USB and currently does not contain any partitions. I'm going to migrating Windows from HD0 to HD1. To get started, simply click the OS migration button. Highlight the destination disk and click OK. As you can see here, D drive is not added to the destination disk. If you want to migrate the D drive as well, you can right-click on it and choose Clone to target disk. Additionally, you can fit the partition to the destination disk by dragging the partition, so you can make the C drive larger or smaller on the SSD. Click the Start button to initiate the process. A warning message will appear, saying that data on the destination disk will be lost. Make sure you've got backups of all your data of the destination disk before proceeding with the migration. The software provides two methods for executing the task. We'll select Hot Migration, as this option doesn't require closing all other applications or shutting down the computer. This will probably take a little while, especially if you have a lot of data on your drive. So be patient and don't rush it. I'll speed up the video. Once the migration is complete, you can restart your computer and boot to BIOS setting to set the SSD as the boot drive. After that, your computer will be able to boot from the SSD. Click OK and complete. As you can see, migrating Windows to an SSD is a straightforward process, and I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.